Watch your bodies and scrape the thing. You can back to the floor, but when you go all the way back there, there's water. Yeah, like a little bit of water. Let me go. Come here. Where the water's at. We have to hide it. I see it's by the. It's not by the drinking toilet over there.
Keep going.
I didn't hear that noise. It goes. That's a car going under us.
You mean over us?
Yeah.
Well, I didn't suspect this to be an adventure video, but
Wait. Is it on YouTube?
yeah, I'm doing a YouTube video.
Hey guys. Hey, it's me, Weston again.
We're exploring a sewer right now.
Come on, let's go back.
We're in the
Just
pipe.
leave the guns. Oh, playing with the guns. Come on, let's go. And there's water back and we have to climb over it. What if I just see the flipping phone? I need to...
No, I'm recording.
Come on.
Just let me get in front of you.
Okay, get in front. Ow, hit my broken toe. Yeah, I broke my toe yesterday from skittering. Fuck you, bitch. Go to the water. You're breaking the gun. And like, when you go down there, it goes like a little tunnel. It goes straight down.
Like for real?
Yes, like straight down.
You can fall in it?
No, I already went down. It's like a little slide, but it's easy to climb up. Yeah, there's the water. We have to climb around it.
You might hear audio because I'm gonna have my phone in my pocket because of that water. Yeah.
So 1, 2, 3.
Actually, I'm gonna keep my phone out.
Yeah, to see where the water ends. Want me to go first and do it?
Yeah, I'm kind of scared.
You really scaredy cat.
Yeah, I might be a freaking hobo living in here.
Bro, if there was a hobo, let me go first. I need that light.
No, you don't.
Are you gonna be going?
Yeah.
I need the light to see.
I got you.
Thank you. Oh crap, what a dump. I just touched the water. Ugh. Come on.
There might be someone in here. We're not really sure.
I already been back here before. Come on, I can't see.
I'm coming.
Ow, motherfucker. Hey, my name's Weston. Yes, I made it. I made it. 124.
Is that water?
Yeah.
And that's shit right there. Hashtag close up on shit. Anyways,
You can't make it.
no, I'm gonna keep going.
It's right here. I'm at.
I hate this. Anyways, there's a bunch of shit in here. Like legit
At
shit.
least it doesn't smell. That's good.
Yeah, at least it doesn't smell.
And we better get like 2 likes on this video.
Yeah, get 2 likes at this video at the
And
least.
this thing is creepy. Like, what's up in back? I saw 2 red eyes back there. Like 2 red eyes, seriously. Like seriously. Sorry you don't understand me because I got speech problems.
Scoot